In this video, you will learn execution of for loop. The syntax of for loop is for. Here is initialization, then condition, and then increment or the decrement. And depending on this condition, we are executing this part. So when we are trying to print the number from 1 to 10, at that time we are writing I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, then I plus plus. Here we are using the incrementation. And printf %d, we are using the integers of %d, I. Just we are writing this much, so you will get the output as 1, 2, 3 up to 10. But what is the actual execution of this? Let's see the actual execution of this. So when we are using the for loop, at that time your initialization is I equals to 1. So after this, here we are checking the condition. See, I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, and then I plus plus. So initially your I value is 1. So check 1 is less than equals to 10. If it is true, then only it will print the value 1. So it will print the value 1. And I plus plus. So I equals to I plus 1. Means what? Here 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So I value is 2 now. See, here we are using the looping concept. So this 2 will be here. And here I equals to 2 again. Okay. So here 2 is less than equals to 10. Check. 2 is less than equals to 10. Yes, it is true. So it will print the 2. Then print 2. And here 2 plus plus means that I value is now 3. Okay. So after this I equals to 3. Then 3 is less than equals to 10. Yes, it is also correct. So it will print 3. So here is print 3 and here 3 plus plus. In this way, we need to trace the output. Okay. So see, like tilde 9 plus plus. Okay. Means 9 plus plus means the I value is now 10. So here I equals to 10. Okay, the value is I equals to 10. Then here check 10 is less than equals to 10. See, here we are using the condition less than equals to. So it is correct. 10 is less than equals to 10. Okay, it is correct. So print value 10. Okay, print the value 10. And here the 10 plus plus. Okay, means the value of I is 11. Okay, so again go here and the I equals to 11. Then check 11 less than equals to 10. No, 11 is not less than 10. This condition is false. So stop here. Okay, stop here and jump out from this loop. Okay, jump out from this loop. So for this we need this steps 1, 2, 3, okay, up to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this one is 11. So to print the number from 1 to 10, we require the 11 steps. Okay, see here. When we are executing this I equals to 1, check 1 is less than equals to 10. If correct, then only print the value of I. Otherwise, see, when the condition I equals to 11, 11 less than equals to 10, no, it's false. So it will automatically jump out from this loop. Okay, and it will continue the execution after the for loop. Okay, in this way you can execute, you can try to trace all the steps of the for loop. Thank you. Display this pattern by using the for loop. How to display this pattern using the for loop? We know that nested for loop. What is the syntax of nested for loop? Here we are using, when we are using the nesting concept, then we are using the one for loop here, and inside this for loop we are again using the one for loop. Okay, so this is known as a nested for loop. Okay, so implement this pattern using the nested for loop. So here check, see, here is a row equals to I. Suppose the row is equals to I and it is equals to 1. This is first row. Then I equals to 2. Then I equals to 3. I equals to 4. These are the 4 rows. And here is a column. Suppose you can write the column name here or here. J equals to 1, j equals to 2, j equals to 3 and j equals to 4 is here. See, here is a condition in first row, just single star. On the second row, there is a 2 star. So, when we are considering the row, at that time, we are considering column also. When we are using the first row, only first column in the focus. When second row, 2 columns. Third row, 3 columns. Okay. So, for this, we will use the one for loop. Okay. So, for this, right here for I equals to 1, because the row start from the 1, I less than equals to 4. See, when you are using the 0 here, write the here less than. Okay, strictly less than. Don't write the equal to sign when you are starting your loop with the 0. Okay, and then I plus plus. Okay, then after this, we will use the one nested for loop. Why nested for loop? Because here we are using the concept of matrix, row and column. So, suppose this is for the row, means in the first row, I want the single star. On the second row, I want 2 star. So on the second row, I want 1 and 2. So, for this, I am using the here j equals to 1. Okay, and write j less than equals to. Okay, if you will write here 4. Okay, see, compulsory write here the less than equals to I. Okay, if you are writing the here 4, then at that time, it will give you a square pattern of a star. So, strictly less than equals to I. I is must. I will show you why to write this. Then after this, j plus plus. Okay, and in that, we need to write printf printf star. Okay, here we will write the star and give the some space here and then double quote and the semicolon. Why space? Because after one star we want the some space, so I am giving just space. Okay, then close it and then after this write the printf, right here printf /n. Okay, see, it is necessary to write the whole printf printf, but in shortcuts on a hard copy you can write the pf. Okay, just okay, then close it, then close this for loop. Okay, close this for loop here. Okay, here we are using the 2 for loop. 2 for loops is, this is one for loop and this is a inner for loop. So you can label it as a inner and this is as a outer. Okay, for understanding. Okay, so how actually it will execute? See, I equals to 1. So first we need to check this I equals to 1. See, for the I equals to 1, we will check first 1 is less than equals to 4. If it is true, then only we will go to the next. Yes, it is correct. If it is correct, then we will check for j equals to 1. Then again check 1 is less than equals to I. But what is the value of I? I's value is now 1. 1 is less than equals to 1. Yes, it is also the correct. So print star. Okay. So print star. See, we will get the first star. Okay, we got the first star. So write the star here. Okay, then again here is j plus plus. So j equals to 2. Okay, this execution will be here. J equals to 2. Then 2 less than equals to 1. No, it is false. Okay, so jump out from this inner loop. So jump out from this inner loop and go to the I equals to 2. Okay, then go to the I equals to 2. So now I equals to 2 is here. Okay, now I equals to 2. For this, now we will execute. Then again check 2 is less than equals to 4. Yes, it is correct. 2 is less than 4. So again we will restart the inner loop and check j equals to 1. 1 is less than equals to 1. Okay, see, when we are jump out from this loop, at that time, see, here is a one /n is used in a program. When you are jumping out from this loop, so here is a printf /n. Okay, what is the meaning of this /n? So now you are at this second line. Okay, now we are trying to executing for I equals to 2. So for this, let's see here. Okay, I equals to 2, 2 less than equals to 4. See here, and j equals to 1, 1 less than equals to 2. Yes, it is also correct. So print 1 star. So print here star. So you will get the one more star. So write this star here. Okay. And then here is j plus plus. So j value is now 2. Then again j equals to 2. 2 less than equals to 2. Check here. 2 is less than equals to 2 or not? Yes, it is also correct. So print again 1 star. So print the here 1 star. Okay. Then j plus plus. So now j becomes 3. Okay. So j is 3. Then check for the j equals to 3. 3 less than equals to 2. No, it's false. So jump out from this. Okay, so jump out from this inner loop. Jump out from this and print the /n. So now your pointer on the next line. See, now here is your pointer. Okay, then again go to the loop. Okay, now I value is 3. So again check it for the value of I equals to 3. So now I equals to 3. Okay, so same way we need to execute for the 3 also. So you will get the 3 star 1, 2, 3. And on again the control on the next line. So you will get the 4 star star. Here is star and here is 4 star. Okay, so in this way. Okay, and fifth, suppose I equals to 5. Then also we need to check. Here we will check this 5 is less than equals to 4. It is wrong. It false. So jump out from the external loop also. So jump out from this loop. Okay. When this condition gets false, then only you can jump out from this outer loop. Okay. In this way you can print this type of a pattern, or you can change it into the square type, or you can change it, by using the same techniques you can do the programs like 3 star here, and here the type your name first letter. So you will get this type of a pattern. You can create the n number of patterns by using this nested for loop. For this you need to just change the here data here and the here. According to your requirement, you can change the data of the printf and change the loop only. Okay, thank you.